Hello friends, how about you? Welcome to EngiFuel. Have you ever wondered how two engineering students from IIT Madras build one of India's most successful EV companies? This is the story of vision, engineering, persistence, and innovation. This is the story of Ather Energy. Now we will go to enter real story. Imagine this. You are riding in heavy Indian traffic. Petrol prices are increasing every month. Roads are full of smoke and noise. Suddenly, one silent scooter passes beside you. No engine sound, smooth ride, modern display screen. That scooter is from Ather Energy. Today, Ather is one of India's most respected EV companies. But the surprising thing is, this company was started by two engineering students inside IIT Madras. In 2013, Tarun Mehta and Swapnil Jain were studying engineering at IIT Madras. Like many students, they loved technology, but they also noticed a problem. Transportation in India depended heavily on petrol. At the same time, pollution was increasing. They believed electric vehicles would become their future. At the time, electric scooters in India had a very bad reputation. Most people thought electric scooters were slow, weak, unattractive, low quality. Many people did not take EVs seriously. But Tarun and Swapnil thought differently. They believed the problem was not electric vehicles, the problem was poor engineering. Interestingly, their first focus was not building scooters. They first worked on battery technology because they understood one important thing. In an electric vehicle, the battery is extremely important. A good battery decides range, performance, reliability. So, they spent time learning about battery systems and energy technology. The early days were very simple. Small lab, long working hours, battery testing, motor experiments. Sometimes failures happened. Sometimes system did not work properly. But they continued improving step by step. This is where an important lesson comes. Real engineering is not only about marks, it is about solving problems. In classrooms, answers are already written. But in real life, engineers must create answers. Many people were not confident about EVs. Some believed electric scooters would never succeed in India. Some thought petrol vehicles would always dominate. But almost every major innovation first faces doubt. In 2013, Ather Energy was officially founded. It was still a very small startup, but the vision was very big. They wanted to build a world class electric scooter for India. One important during point came when investors started supporting them. Among the early supporters were Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal. Later, Hero MotoCorp also invested in Ather. This gave the startup more confidence and resources. Ather did not want to make an ordinary scooter. They focused on design, performance, software, technology. Their scooters included touchscreen dashboard, navigation, app connectivity, software updates. This was very different from traditional scooters in India. Then came the Ather 450. People noticed its quick acceleration, smooth riding experience, modern technology. Young customers especially liked it. Slowly, public opinion about EV scooters started changing. Ather understood one major problem in EV adoption. Changing is important. At the same time, charging infrastructure, many customers worried where can we charge? So Ather created Ather Grid, their own charging network. This was a smart long-term decision. Startup life is not easy, especially in hardware and automobile industries. There are challenges in manufacturing, quality control, supply chain, funding, engineering. Ether also faced many difficult periods, but they continued improving. This story is very important for engineering students, especially students in mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, metallurgy, material science. The future industries of India will need engineers for EV technology, battery materials, motors, manufacturing, thermal systems. Core engineering still has a strong future. From a small IIT lab to one of India's leading EV companies. That is story of Ather Energy. It reminds us that big companies can begin with small ideas. Sometimes one engineering project can become an entire industry changing company. Maybe the next big innovation in India is already being built by a student somewhere today. So, from a small IIT Madras lab to one of India's leading EV companies, Ather Energy's journey proves that great innovation don't start with huge resources. They start with a problem, an idea, and the courage to keep going. If two engineering students could build a company that helped shape India's EV future, imagine what today's students can achieve tomorrow. The next big innovation would be sitting inside a classroom, a hostel room, or college lab right now. Thank you for watching EngiFuel. Keep learning, keep building, keep innovating. And remember, engineering is not just about getting a job, it's about creating the future. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this story and found it inspiring, don't forget to like, share and leave your thoughts in this comment section. And if you are passionate about engineering, innovation, startups and success stories, make sure to subscribe to EngiFuel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and keep innovating. This is NG Fuel signing off.